Dr. Daisy Galeana's career spans decades of leadership and innovation in the mechanical and aerospace engineering field. From guiding major initiatives at Solar Turbines to advancing complex engineering work at Rolls-Royce and General Electric, she has helped shape the future of global energy and aerospace systems.
Every major is hard to study, but engineering is like a second language. You have to learn everything about engineering, and we're constantly thinking how we can resolve something. A lot of the challenges that I face in the industry was looking for a job and how do I fit into the industry. As a Hispanic female, fitting into an industry that's predominantly male. Fast forward years later, as a professional with a Ph.D., I'm facing similar challenges, but now I have more tools. I can sit at the table, voice my opinions, bring solutions, but with a lot more content, depth, and personality. The leadership skills I was learning at San Diego State really allowed me to grow as a leader. All the other universities, I was a number. San Diego State, they actually saw me for who I was. They saw the industry that we have in San Diego, and then they saw me, and then they say, she belongs.
After building a distinguished career, Dr. Galeana remains committed to the place where her journey began. Her donations to SDSU's College of Engineering support student learning through the Mathematics, Engineering, Science Achievement Program, MESA, empowering the next generation of young engineers.
MESA make me, and they're the ones who are there supporting me all the way through it, giving me more tools, more skills. That's what it brings me back. College is getting more and more expensive, so anything that can help a freshman student to say, okay, relax, you got the financial part resolved, let's get you concentrate on the classes and learn about engineering and then be able to apply it. I think that is the benefit of coming back and helping financially. And the part that I want to bring to all the young women and men getting into engineering, especially the ones that are immigrants, are learning English as their second language, is to invite them to say, you're here because you have everything it takes to be a successful story, and use me to say, look at her, she did it. If she can do it, I can do it.